Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be ranking my Temu purchases. This is actually part 2. So I do have another one of these videos, which is going to be in my Temu playlist if you want to catch up on those videos. But I have so far done 2 Temu hauls. So this is the second one, and I am pretty excited to rank them because I've been using these so much and I'm just excited to talk about them again with you guys, let you guys know what products sucked, what products were amazing and you need in your collection. So if you want to see what those products are, of course, just keep on watching. At number 10, we have one of these products from LAKERAIN Beauty. It was their blush version. I do have their highlight and their bronzer in the same packaging. However, the one with the blush actually came damaged, which is why it's at number 10. Packaging wise, it wasn't that great. The color was really pretty. I actually got to use it on Instagram. However, it did spill out and it was just all over the place. It got everywhere, so I had to dispose of it, which is why it was at number 10. At number 9, we have the eyeshadow palette that I tried out in my last full face of Temu makeup. This is the KAYLA palette. It is a dupe for one of the Lime Crime palettes, as you can see. However, I don't really love the packaging. It's like very cheapy. This is the back of the palette. And let me show you guys the inside. It looks like it would be really nice. The colors themselves worked out pretty okay. It's not the best formula in the world, but look at the packaging. It's just like not cute. It's like styrofoam kind of vibes. Yeah. The color story again is really nice. The look that I created using this palette was okay. It's just like, I don't know. It's not the greatest packaging. Not what I expected at all. The colors are okay. They didn't really perform all that great, so that's why I ranked at number 9. I just don't really recommend it. They have other palettes that work better than this on their site from what I've tried. So yeah, this is just like kind of a fail. But they have a lot of those types of products, a lot of dupable products for high-end ones. Just be careful, read the comments, read the reviews and all of that, measurements on Temu. At number 8, we have the LAKERAIN highlight. So this is actually a really pretty color. Again, this was the same kind of packaging as the blush. However, this one actually came intact. Looks like this. It is from LAKERAIN Beauty. And there is no distinguishment between the products. So it doesn't tell you what it is. Doesn't tell you if it's the highlight, the bronzer, or the blush. You just kind of have to guess or open it to see. But this is called their multi-use stick. Basically opens like this. It's an alleged Charlotte Tilbury dupe. Color looks like that. It's just not the greatest color. I think this is okay. It's a very lightweight kind of product. As you can see, it barely catches the light. It's like a very natural kind of highlight, which is why I ranked a little lower. Not the greatest color for me. It's just like okay. It looks pretty nice and glassy on the face. It's cute, nothing impressive. Next we have the bronzer from the same line. This is again the LAKERAIN Beauty situation. Also the multi-use stick. This is the bronzer one. Again, you just pull it out like so. There is the color. This color is actually really nice for my skin tone and it actually blends out really nice, which is why it ranked a little higher than the highlights. I think this just packs a little more punch to it, whereas with the highlight I think I could have just skipped out on it, but this is actually really good and I'm glad that I got to try it. At number 6, we have an alleged Rare Beauty dupe. This is from LAKERAIN Beauty as well. Looks like so. The color is actually really pretty and the packaging is cute. I really like the doe foot applicator. The color of this product is stunning. It is very pigmented and a little bit goes a long way. So I really much enjoy this product and I think it worked out so much better than the other one, the one that ranked at 10. Packaging just was a whole fail for me, but this is actually really nice. Really love the doe foot applicator. Really nice, really blendable. Looks amazing on the face. Again, I'm going to have my Temu playlist linked down below so you guys can see all of these products in action. But yeah. This one is pretty nice and it comes in a couple other colors. At number 5, we have their face primer. So this is the O.TWO.O Zero Pores Sniper Face Primer. So this is actually really nice. I've used it a couple times on Instagram. I really love the packaging, things like the perfect size. The actual formula is really good as well. Let me show you guys how it looks. There is the dispenser vibe. Kind of looks like a creamy kind of moment, but it blends out really beautifully on the skin. I think it's amazing for the T-zone area, especially for me with my oily skin. I think it just mattifies that inner portion. Also does a really great job at blurring out the pores. Any imperfections in that inner portion looks amazing. So I really much loved this purchase, which is why I ranked at number 5. At number 4, we have their lip care product. So this is a Skin Ever, the lip volumizer lip care moisturizing product. So this is not only beautiful packaging, I really love the doe foot applicator, I love the formula, I love how this smells. It's just a really nice product. Again, one that I've used on my Instagram, so head over there. I'm gonna have those videos linked down below if you want to see them. Really love the doe foot applicator. Again, it just smells very nice and like skincare-y. Nothing crazy, it's not too strong, but I love everything about this product, which is why it ranked pretty high at number 4. And I definitely recommend it. It's really good. And number 3, we have an eyebrow product. This is the Lank Mani Soft Brow Crayon Situation. This one here is in the shade 03. I think the color is really good for my hair. It goes really well with my hair. It's amazing. Again, check out that full face so you guys can see it in action. I think this worked out really well. The formula itself is really good. It was like nice and not too creamy where it was moving around, but not too dry where it was breaking. It's just like the perfect formula. And again, the color 03 worked really great for my hair color. So there it is. And it comes in a couple other shades. So definitely pick the one that calls out to you. It's actually a really good product. Again, this is an alleged ABH brow dupe. Really good. Really am glad that I picked this up. And number 2, we have this product. This is their, what is this called? The PUDIER Fluff Hold Laminating Brow Wax. So it's definitely one that I was kind of hesitant on purchasing because there was a wait list for this and it was going to come out at another time, and it was just like, I don't know, they were making it complicated, but I finally got my hands on it and I'm so glad that I did. It's a very interesting product. You pull off the top and you get a little brush. It's a double-sided brush. You go ahead and twist it off and then you get the actual product on the inside. I really love that spoolie that it comes with. It's a really great product. You definitely feel it on your brows. Let me see. Oh, you can remove this as well if you wanted to, but you can definitely feel the actual product going through your brow, and it just kind of sets them down and you know that they're not going to move. I love the little brush. Not that I use it a whole lot, but I like the, you know, the initial idea is really cute, especially if you're going to be traveling. So this is definitely a really great product. I really much enjoyed. So that's why it ranked so high on my list at number 2. And I'm definitely recommend if you want to try it out. It's good. Number 1, this is definitely an unexpected product. I didn't think this was going to be my number 1, but out of all the products that I mentioned today, this is the one that blew me away the most. And it has me excited to try out more products from Beauty Glaze in the future. This is the Beauty Glaze, I think it's called, what is this called? Like their lip shine or something like that. I might have linked down below. This one here is in dark brown 112, and basically it's a liquid lipstick, but it's not drying at all. It's a really good formula and I really love the size of it. I like the presentation. It came in a little like chocolate looking bag. If you guys saw my haul, we unbagged it together in that video, but basically it's just a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I think the color is what sold me. Just the most beautiful, perfect brown. I think it would have gone so well today with this top. I just love it. It's a perfect brown for me, and I really like the formula as well. Can wear it on its own. It's not drying at all. It's just very nice and creamy. It doesn't sink into your fine lines on your lips. It's a really great product, and I'm excited to try other products from Beauty Glaze because this really did blow me away, which is why it ranked at number 1. And those were all the products from my last Temu haul that I wanted to rank for you guys. Of course, give this video a like if you like this type of video so I can keep making them. This is part 2, so if you want to watch part 1, it's in my Temu playlist, so go ahead and catch up on all those videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.